Hello students, welcome in our geography class. Students, today I am going to start our first book, that is Fundamentals of Physical Geography. This book is divided into 6 units. Here the contents are given. We are just taking the first unit today. Our first unit is Geography as a Discipline. And the name of the chapter is Geography as a Discipline. So, before starting the chapter, let me tell you several things which is related with the geography. The first thing which is comes in our mind, the thing is, what is geography? Geography है क्या? So, in the simple sense, geography is the description of the earth. As the earth has variation in its physical, social, and cultural features too. So, it means geography is the entire description of earth and its related substances, related matters. Understand? Here the question comes in my mind, that is, who coined the term geography first? Who gave this word? The geography word firstly coined by Sir Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes was a Greek scholar, and the word geography has been derived from two roots from Greek language. Geo means earth and graphos means description. So, our entire chapter is, or our this unit deals with the several points. Here the points are given. Geography as an integrating discipline, as a science of spatial attributes, branches of geography, importance of physical geography, what is geography, relation between man and nature, development of geography, relation between geography and other subjects. Geography answer the question where, what, why, etc. Relation between physical geography and natural science, geography and social science relation, branches of geography based on synthetic approach and regional approach, and last but not the least, physical geography and its importance. These are some of the terms which deals in this unit. So, let me start our chapter with one question, and the question is, why should we study geography? हम geography पढ़ना क्यों चाहते हैं, क्यों पढ़ें हम? So, I am just giving you some of the reason behind the study of geography. Firstly, we live on the surface of the earth, right? हम रहते कहाँ हैं? हम अर्थ के सरफेस पर रहते हैं. और ज्योग्राफी क्या है? अभी मैंने आपको बताया. ज्योग्राफी इज अ ग्रीक वर्ड, comes with the joining of two words, geo and grapho. Geo means earth and grapho means description. जब हम ज्योग्राफी में डिस्क्रिप्शन ही पढ़ रहे हैं अर्थ का, तो ज़रूरी हो गया ना, जिस जगह पर रहते हैं, जिस चीज़ से कनेक्ट होते हैं, उसके बारे में ज़्यादा जानना. So this is my first reason why should we study geography, right? Now let me give you some more reasons also. सिर्फ ये एक ही रीज़न तो पर्याप्त नहीं है. सेकेंड, आवर लाइव्स आर अफेक्टेड बाय आवर सराउंडिंग्स इन मैनी वेज, राइट? हमारा जो जीवन है वो अफेक्ट होता है हमारे सराउंडिंग से कई तरीके से. कैसे? पहला, वी पीपल जस्ट चूज द प्लेसेस फॉर लिविंग वेयर वी गेटिंग द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ऑफ सर्वाइवल, राइट? हम लोग उसी जगह को ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं, ज़्यादा चॉइस में रखते हैं जहाँ पर हमें काफ़ी अच्छे वातावरण मिलते हों. वहीं हम लोग रहना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. और जहाँ हमको वैसा अनुकूल वातावरण नहीं मिलता, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू लिव. So the surroundings also the important reason behind the study of geography. Third, we depend on the resources to sustain ourselves in the surrounding areas, which is most important part of our life. Without resources we are not able to live, we are not able to sustain our life, right? अगर हमको जीना है तो जीने के लिए रिसोर्सेज चाहिए. रिसोर्सेज कहाँ मिलते हैं? द रिसोर्सेज आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ और ऑन द अर्थ in the interior part and on the outer surface of the earth. So with the dependency of the resources we are just study the geography. Is it okay or need more reasons? So let me give you some more reasons. Like to learn about diverse lands and peoples. As we know that हम देखते हैं ना अपने चारों तरफ की सराउंडिंग्स में डिफरेंट तरीके के लोग होते हैं, डिफरेंट तरीके के लैंड एरियाज़ होते हैं. कहीं पर लैंड बहुत ही ऊंचे ऊंचे बड़े बने हुए हैं, कहीं पर बहुत ही गहरे हैं, कहीं पर बिल्कुल प्लेन एरियाज़ हैं. सो फॉर स्टडी दीज डिफ्रेंशिएशन इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू स्टडी ज्योग्राफी or to investigate into the causes, responsible factors for creating such variations over time and space. It is necessary to study geography in most form. So this chapter, geography as a discipline, is all about geography, is all about earth. हम इस चैप्टर में यही जानने वाले हैं कि अर्थ क्या है, एवोल्यूशन कैसे हुआ ह्यूमन का, समय के साथ साथ चेंजेस क्या आए, कौन क्या कैसे, ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस का हम लोग इस चैप्टर में आंसर ढूंढेंगे.